A native of Fort Myers, Florida, and Princeton, Kentucky, 5'11" former Lion baseball catcher, begins his days and ends his nights with an oat milk latte with locally sourced raw honey. 2006 BG founder and co-owner, Jason Bramlett. A 5'6" storyteller from the Union City High School class of '84, writing notes in her Franklin Covey around the clock, fueled by hot peppermint tea, and co-owner, always has a story for that, Dawn Bramlett! 6 feet tall, hailing from Fort Worth, Texas, semi-pro woodworker and running on decaf black drip. At BG since 2014, our Vice President of Creative Services, Brett Jones! 5'2" and eyes of blue, hailing from Poplar Bluff, Missouri, fueled by cold brew with lavender and French vanilla cold foam. Baker and office recipe creator, making a plan for every what-if scenario at BG since 2014. Our art director, Courtney Williams. Deep in the heart of Texas, standing tall at 5'6", leading the nation in thrifting finds and hand-sewn art, Chester County's hat, art, and style aficionado. At BG since her 2015 internship, drinking black coffee, BG art director, Emily Erden. Hailing from Paducah, Kentucky, and coming to Henderson by the way of Lebanon Police Department's dispatch, and the lavender oat milk latte is 5'9" photographer, Amelia LaJoy! Making the transfer to Henderson from Brownsville, Tennessee, standing 6 feet tall and loving a cold brew with Irish cold foam, the videographer with a vision, Kayla Kendrick! Not in Kansas anymore, 5'7" outdoor enthusiast, cereal and national park connoisseur, popping Reese's Puffs and drinking a peppermint mocha, is graphic designer, Saya Eagleman! Standing 6 foot tall, hailing from Pleasant Grove, Alabama, finding all the BG Dev solutions since 2014. His favorite Besso's coffee drink is Gatorade Glacier Freeze. Vice President of Software Development, Michael Weiler! A product of Rochester, Illinois, taking his position behind his standing desk at 5'11" and leading the office in Nerf War stats, boasting his unsweet tea, full-stack developer Ethan Smith! Hailing from Jackson, Tennessee his whole life, former Jackson Christian Eagle lineman and current reacher of things on the top shelf, leading his team's height at 6'4", bringing his marble mocha, developer Colton Deloge. Henderson's hometown girl, 5'7" tall, sipping a London fog with lavender, former CCHS theater star of the Williams Auditorium stage, and current star of coordinating client checklist is our Director of Account Services, Mary Emily Matthews. Hailing from Gallipolis, Ohio, with equestrian and barista prowess, standing 5'4", enjoying her shaken brown espresso, Account Services Representative, Leah Stone! From Milwaukee to Jackson, taking the floor at 5'5", bringing the wisdom and calm since 2015, an iced caramel macchiato in hand, she is our public relations pro, Tawana Cheshire! Working from Columbia, Tennessee, but calling Henderson home, she's 5'2", weight and age unavailable. She's the words expert with all the history, drinking her coffee black and keeping the stories going at BG since 2014, Nancy Bennett! As Bramlett Group eyes the transfer portal, we're looking to fill a couple of positions with 5-star talent. We're not looking for bench warmers, we're looking for immediate impact starters in areas of accounting and account services. So if you can play at an elite level, email us your resume and your favorite coffee drink.